Hi, and welcome to the AI Copywriting Creators channel, where we go through different AI copywriting software and show the good, the bad, and the ugly of each one. This video, I'm going to walk you through WriteSonic. WriteSonic is an AI copywriter which allows you to write both short and long copy format, amongst a variety of other different content. I'm going to show you some of the key features that WriteSonic has, what sets it apart from its competition, and some of my personal favorite things that WriteSonic does. So let's get started. On their homepage, you can see a variety of options WriteSonic can do along with the formulas and frameworks it offers. You can see that it does website copy, including landing pages. It can write copy for digital ads, including Facebook, Google, LinkedIn ads, with Instagram and Twitter ads coming soon. It writes everybody's favorite articles for blogs. It writes intros, outros, does a whole lot with blog side of things. It writes e-commerce copy, including Amazon products, titles, descriptions, and features. It writes some of the most popular formulas, including pain, agitate, and solution, and the AIDA, or attention, interest, desire, and action formulas. It also writes press releases and bios for both personal and companies. It offers video, YouTube copy, and some other growth ideas. When we go to the pricing page, you can see WriteSonic offers a variety of different pricing plans for both monthly and annual. They also offer a free trial, which includes 10 credits and should be more than enough for you to get used to WriteSonic, get a good feel for it, and see how it works and functions, and see if WriteSonic's right for you. After logging into WriteSonic, you'll be presented with the dashboard, where you can see how many credits you've used or have remaining. You can see your projects, create new projects, and see all the different options that WriteSonic offers for writing content. It's also broken down further into different categories, being writing your article in your blogs, writing ads and other marketing tools, basic writing being content rephrasing, sentence expanders, writing things for e-commerce, writing things for social media, including some of the hooks and posts and post descriptions, website copy, and then you got the other, which is a lot of different frameworks. In this video, I'm only going to cover the AI Article Writer 3.0, as it's the most popular one. So after clicking on the AI Writer, you're going to have to pick a topic. This topic is going to be the title of your article. In this case, I'm going to use Bernese Mountain Dog size. After you have your topic written, you click Generate Ideas. It'll charge you 1 token, and it'll present you with a list of 5 different options you can choose from. All that's needed now is to go through and decide which option you like best. The option you choose is going to be used in the next step, which is generating an introduction for your article. Reading through this, I'm going to go with Bernese Mountain Dog size 10 facts you need to know. So now I'm going to generate some intros. It'll charge me 1 token for that, and it'll present me with a list of 5 different introductions that I can use for my article. These introductions, along with the title, will work towards creating an outline, which is in the next step. One thing to note is this is AI, so facts and wording is not always going to be accurate. So always fact check and always read through to make sure it makes sense to a human. So we're going to go through these and we're going to see which one I like best. Alright, so reading through these, I think I'm going to go with this option right here. The Bernese Mountain Dog is a large, well-muscled breed that's originated in Swiss Alps. Brings me to step 3. Now I get to click Generate Outlines, which charges me another token. And it'll present me with 5 different options that I can choose for outlines. These outlines will end up being your header points within the article. So you can go through and you can read which ones you like best, and choose a group, or you can come up here to the top and then you can select individual ones out of each different option that you like, and those will be the ones that are used in your outline. So I'm going to read through these and decide which one I like best. Okay, I've picked my 10. I'm going to click next. The 10 options I chose are now in this outline. As you can see, I have things a little skewed as the conclusion was selected in the wrong order. So I'm just going to take this and drop this down to the very end, and then I'm going to go and reorder everything as I feel fit. Alright, so now I have everything in the order I like. I'm going to double check my title is the way I want it, and I'm going to double check and make sure my introduction is all looking how I want it and spelled right, and make sure facts and speech looks good. And now I'm ready to write. So I'm just going to scroll down, write an article. It'll charge me 10 credits. And in a matter of a couple seconds, it writes a full article for me. There we go. This article is 1,006 words long and is about 6 minutes to read. You can go through and see all the different points that it wrote. I can see some of these are a little bit shy in content. So what I can do now is I can come over here and I can click the Sonic editor. Scroll down to the areas where I think it's a little shy, and I highlight it, and up come these boxes. I decide to choose expand. It charges me another half credit, but it'll give me a whole lot more options to help expand this text. I can see that this is a good option. So I'm going to just click that. Oops. There we go. Now I have all this in here. Just added everything, and so everything looks good. Now I can go ahead and I can name this document Bernese Mountain Dog size, and I'm good to go. I can now copy all this and paste it wherever I need. Going back to the dashboard, I'm set to write a new article. If I want to recall the article I just wrote, I can go under the history, and I can see I have two versions of the article I just wrote. One's the Sonic editor, where I did the editing, and then here's the original that, if I click on it, you can see this is all right here within just the original output. And then here's the difference, for example, and then this is the one with the editor. And this is where I added the extra health concerns section. As you can see, WriteSonic can be a very powerful tool to have for your copywriting needs. It provides great articles in very little time, saving you time and money. I suggest picking up the free trial of WriteSonic, giving you 10 credits so that you can test WriteSonic for yourself. There's a link in the description below to get you started.